I was asked to give an overview of our products because probably not everybody does it know. And when I listened to the last speaker, probably it was good that I did start with this sort of presentation. The first few slides are our current headsets. And then the last two slides is our vision, which is coming with Varjo Reality Cloud. I don't know if anybody either know our products or heard about the latest development vision. So start with the products. We are the only headset with human eye resolution, and even our environmental display has a higher resolution as any on the market. So it's always quite funny when somebody says they have the highest resolution. No, the only highest resolution has the Varjo headsets. And we have a technology, just explain it very quickly. There are two screens per eye. So you have this environmental display, which has a higher resolution as any on the market, as I mentioned. And then you have a focus display. I will show it you in a minute, which has 70 pixels per degree. This is above human eye resolution. Then we have in our hardware integrated Varjo eye tracking, a 200 Hertz eye tracking system. This is as well the maximum on the market. Our previous model had 100 Hertz. Now we have 200 Hertz. And you have access to the eye tracking data. So this is quite important. You can create afterwards heat maps, etc. It's a CSV file with timestamp and XY coordinates. Then our mixed reality headset, this is only on the market, and there is nothing in development, what I heard as far, has a real video pass-through. This has two cameras in front of our handsets, which streams the real world with no latency. No latency is a bit above, but it's below 20 milliseconds. This is nearly a latency which you can't realize. And then we have from Ultraleap the 5.0 Gemini integrated. We have a special branch of it, so we improved it. And this hand tracking is in both handsets. So we have the VR3 and the XR3. I show you a quick video, which I will stop in a minute as well. So here you see our staircase in Helsinki. And this robot, this is virtual. All the rest is real world. So this is quite important. So this is the VR3 headset, and the robot, they are virtual. The rest is real world. Give you a quick overview, tech data. Field of view is 115 degrees. The previous headsets had just 90 degrees. I show you afterwards a quick video where you can see the difference, but 150 degree is now, which is needed and the industry would like to have. Then with 71 or 70 pixels per degree, human eye resolution, the 200 Hertz eye tracking and the latency are already covered. Here you see how the display works, and you could nearly don't see any fair point it's zoom. So for this reason, I probably would not expect that you can see the difference. But here in the lower field, the focus display is positioned like on a reading glass. So when you look in straightforward, you have the human eye. You don't have human eye resolution, of course, because when you look straight forward, you see always in the distance. As soon as you start wants to read something, you're looking always below, and then you enter exactly in the focus display area where you can read everything. Quick example. The left one, this is our headset. The right one is a common headset. And on the left one, you can, for example, read everything on the display. So you don't need to make any tricks, how do the fonts bigger or anything. You just can read as any text what you want. I show you a quick video regarding the field of view of the Airbus. So as well, in the Helsinki office, you enter the cockpit. It seems the video is a bit slow. This was the old XR1 field of view. And now this is a new field of view. Stop again, because, oh yeah, here it's nice again. You saw my colleague, and he's just putting the virtual object in a real room, and still he is in his environment. In the XR3, there is as well a LiDAR integrated. The LiDAR will be used, it's up to 5 meters. You can use it in different ways. So we use it actually for hand occlusion, or as well for masking. This means you could scale, say, everything up till 5 meters is real world view, and everything above is virtual. So what you have seen now, you saw the real world view and the virtual object inside it, but you could do it exactly vice versa with masking, that you say everything in a special area is real world view because you want to see your keyboard, you want to see your dashboard, or it doesn't matter what you want to see. And then the rest is virtual. We use it mainly as well for hand occlusions, that you can see your real hands into the virtual objects. Show you as well a quick example afterwards. But you can use as well the LiDAR to creating point clouds or meshes, and put it into your Unity application or Unreal application, and then generate straight from there your 3D objects. Here is a quick video regarding our hand tracking. I put it forward. So again, you see, this is the staircase of Varjo in Helsinki. And why is it not running? So I have to do it now manual. So what happens is the virtual objects are in the room, and you can really interact with your hands with the virtual objects and place it where you want, or could do any single animation. We had, for example, a very nice experimental demo with the headset. It's an art project, and I made a demo yesterday in the Kunstuniversität Linz and showed it to a few high school teachers, and they were really impressed because you could grab letters and place it everywhere. So you can place everywhere the virtual objects just with your hands. And then we use normally, because this is the most common geisha technique from HoloLens, that you open your left hand, and then with the left hand you have a dashboard where you can put any actions. So it's really great, and it's very accurate. It's not, I would not say it's 100% accurate, but it's roughly a few millimeter correctness. So it's really very good, and it will be improved as well in our software. Then a quick video about real-time collaboration. This is done with VRED from Autodesk, but it could be done, of course, with Unity or Unreal applications. But in VRED, it's already implemented. So this is based on their technology, I have to say. So you can do, this video was done, sorry, it stops again. I don't understand it. Start again. I think I showed it. There were these avatars, they were based, some of them were in Korea, some of them were in Frankfurt. Here on the left side or behind, you see a real car. Only the red car is a virtual car from VRED, which you can see in XR, in our headsets. This was the main use cases. So our main focus is design and development, automotive. Training, a lot of, I have to say, I know in Germany it's not very common, but we are used in a lot of military training scenarios. But this military training is just pilot trainings or simulation training, say it in this way. And marketing, of course, one of a big car brand has installed a few of our headsets in their showrooms, where you can then configure the cars and see the car how you would like it. And now going forward, this is our vision. And I know I will be asked, when will it come? The final product should be ready in 2 years, but there will be iteration steps where we launch always a part of this final product. So the first part should be ready by end of the year latest. And we are speaking now about Varjo Reality Cloud. So let's see the video.
Close your eyes. Imagine another reality, as seen from somebody else's perspective, from their office corner of the world. Now, open your eyes. What if you're already there? With technology, human connection has already evolved from making audio phone calls to video calls and sharing our experiences via 2D pictures and videos and PowerPoints in real time with anybody. But we can do better than that. Varjo Reality Cloud is our platform that will allow the ultimate science fiction dream, photorealistic teleportation, come true. Instead of jumping on a plane, you will be able to teleport to any location and back instantly. Anybody will be able to capture the surroundings in 3D and invite somebody else to join in that same exact reality, see and hear others, and share their experience in absolute immersion. First, this will become possible for users of Varjo headsets, but eventually for anybody on any device.
So this was the marketing video. And now this is a real video, fair point. It's a tech concept. It's done from Urho Kontori. He's one of our founders and the CTO of the company, and Timo Toikanen. As well, very quick, but it gives you
We believe that the foundation of the future metaverse will be our actual physical reality. The programmable world that once existed only behind our screens can now merge with our surroundings, and it will forever change the choreography of our everyday life. We've only begun dreaming of the end user applications for this together with our few selected partners, and we'll continue to build our roadmap together with our users. We are so excited to share this vision and soon our entire reality with all of you.
The road ahead is clear, and we believe there's no other company in the world that can bring to life the metaverse rooted in the real world, but not bound by the barriers of physical reality.